Hello and welcome back for my video. About this video we want to speak about Python with the config parser, and I will learn you how you can read the file, your configuration file, into the config parser and how it's working in the basic steps. So let's beginning and say from config parser import config parser. Then we need to say configs equal to config parser. And as default, we don't have any sections inside. Sections mean we have our configuration file here with the default and the database. This is the custom and this is the default level. So if we're going to say print config sections and run the application, you can see we have nothing here. So what we want to do now, we want to read the file. Let's say config read, and then we have the config.ini here, and we want to read it. And below this we want to config section again, and then you can see we have the database here. The default here will not be showed inside, but only the custom. But of course we can print out here, print, and say default, the title, and then we should hit the title, hello world. So we can still get access for the default with the title. And let's trying to see what happening if we do the database, and we want to speak about the host and run the script again, and we have the hello world here and the host out. So this is the quick guide to get access for your configuration file and how you use it. So thank you so much, but you know this is only take strings out. So if you're going for the next video of mine about the config parser, I will speak about the fallback and the data types. It's a little more advanced. I will not speak about in this video, so thank you so much for watching this. If you like it, you can subscribe my channel in the thing below in the right corner. And of course, I hope you want to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, please make the comments below, and I will try to answer them as fast as possible. And the last, I hope you share this video with your friends, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much and hope to see you next time. See you.